Hello guys, welcome to Soft Asia. Did you ever wanted to restrict a user to log in with username or email address only? For example, here user can log in with username and email both. But what if you want to restrict user to a username or email address only? For this, log into dashboard. First, we need to install a plugin. So hover over plugins, click on add new. In the search bar, type profile press. Click on search button. Install first plugin. And activate it. After activation, you need to visit dashboard. Now you can see profile press section in your sidebar. Click on profile press. It will take you to plugin setting. From the global, you can add reset or login page, but leave that. We will go to login. Here you can see email and username that is selected by default. Here you can select email only or username only. For example, I select username only and then click on save changes. Now take a live preview. Log out from your account. It will take you to login page. Now change admin to your email address. Log in with your email address. It will not allow you to log in with your email. Type your username again and log in. It will take you to dashboard. Now go back to profile press and select email address only and save changes. Now log out again from your account. Now log in with username. It will not allow you to log in with username. Type your email address here and then click on login. Add two-step verification and click on continue. Now by adding email address, it will take you to dashboard. That's how you can restrict a user to log in with username or email only. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.